Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to change cPanel password. Let's get started. Well, the very first thing you'd want to do is to log in into your cPanel hosting account using your provided username and password. I have already logged in and you can tell that I am using the Jupyter theme and my hosting has been provided by MochaHost. The version of cPanel I am using, if you scroll at the bottom section, is 102.0.32. Well, there are lots of reasons why you'll want to change your password. Maybe you want to upgrade who accesses your account, or maybe there is a breach and you feel it's good as a password management option. Well, to make that possible, you'll navigate into the tools provided and there is an option for password change. So I'll scroll down and on the preference option, I have password and security. I'll opt to click password and security directly from the tools options, or alternatively, I can navigate at my options at the top section of my account and select account preference or password or change language depending on what I'll need. So password and security is also displayed on this section. I'll click on either password and security option and I'll be navigated into a window that requires me to first enter an old password that I have been using, then enter a new password, enter the new password again, and we also have a password strength option down here. Take note that if you don't remember your old password, it will not be possible for you to change your password. The thing you will do is type in the old password, and then I can type in the new password that I want for my panel. Notice as I type, the password strength is being calculated and I'm told whether my password strength is 100% or 10% or how weak my password is. Remember to have your passwords at least 90 or 100 and above. Once you type the new password, you also need to type in the new password again. This makes sure that you do not lose your password. Alternative options for you to create very strong passwords for your cPanel is to navigate onto the password generator option. If I click on the password generator option, I'll have different custom passwords that are extremely complex to crack. And for your account security, this would be one of the best options of setting your password. Once you settle on a specific password, you'll need to copy that password and keep it safe. Once you accept that you have copied the password, select the checkbox option I have copied the password to activate use the password. You'll notice that the new password that we have chosen from the password generator appears twice and the strength is 100%. Once you're happy with the password, click on change password and you're done. Well, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next nugget.